you've been rolling around on the ground, silly. Whoa, where are you going? Thank you.
Can you fly me up? Can you fly me up?
What are you doing? Roly poly. You roly poly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get grass out of your eye.
Thank you.
Can you fly me up?
Look up. It's a pretty woodpecker. Can you hear him?
Can you fly me up?
Ada, what are you doing? Too sweet.
I got this on your elbow.
On my elbow?
Yeah.
I don't think it was my elbow, but it got hurt.
Yeah.
Does it feel better?
Yeah.
Ready?
I can do it again.
Ready? I'm getting tired. Whoa. Ow.
They're laughing about me. They're laughing about me tooting.
Really?
Can you fly?
Put your legs out. You're a little too sweet. You got lots of gas in there, huh?